Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome to my channel. Here I'm in the process of a Dutch infinity braid. So I started off with 2 sections, and what I do here is really easy. I'm going to take a strand from the left side, go underneath the left strand, over the right strand, and then underneath the right strand, and back to the beginning on the left strand, and I'll do the same on the right. If you're going to get a piece of hair, go under the right strand, over the left strand, and back under to the right. Takes a little getting used to, but it's very simple. So now I'm going to start again on the left side. Get a piece of the left, go underneath that section, over the right section, underneath that as well, and back to the left section. And you want to just make sure that you keep the tension nice and tight, because this braid could get really messy and lose its form. So underneath that section, over the left section, and then underneath, and then back to the right. Get another piece, left strand, underneath that section, over the right section, and underneath that as well, and back to the left section. Underneath the right strand, over the left strand, underneath that as well, and back to the right. Underneath the left section, over the right, and back underneath to the left. So underneath the left section, over to the right, underneath that section, and back to the left section. So essentially it's always under, over, under, and back to the beginning of that section. So it's under, over, under, and back to that section. Under, over, under, and back to that section. And I'm just going to continue this all the way down, and just remember to keep this braid nice and tight so it doesn't lose its form. And also just remember to always go under, over, and back under to the original section. I always say it as I'm doing it, so I go under, over, under, and back to the original section. Please subscribe to my channel, or you can follow me on Instagram at danny.doeshair.